I'm sitting in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So to do that, we should slide with our fingers to the center at the same time and then click on the right down corner to the settings icon. Then tap here transitions effect. Now we have selected the default one. We can select one from these availables. For example, let's use the rotate. Then just click here to done, to the home button, and now we can see that we just successfully changed our device home screen animation. If you want to turn it back to the default one, go back here to the transition effects and switch it to the slide. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.